Today, I'm going to be answering the most asked questions about clipping in 2026. So I'm on Reddit and I'm going to be going through the most asked questions when it comes to clipping here. I'm going to answer them and I'm going to show you guys any in-depth questions that are being asked here. So let's get right into the video. So I typed in clipping and the first question here is clipping still worth it for newcomers? So my take on this is I have to say yes and no. And I say that because when you're starting out clipping and if you have no pages built, it does take a lot of sacrifice because in the very beginning, you're not going to get a lot of views. I started clipping on this page right here just over 2 years ago, and it took me 3 months to hit 10K followers, and it definitely sucks when you're not seeing views come in right away. From my experience, I can 100% say when you get over 10,000 followers, it is so worth it. I make a couple $1,000s a month from the TikTok Creator Fund alone. That's not even from any clipping websites that can potentially also pay you. So my ultimate answer to this question is if you have patience and if you're fine with earning a couple of dollars or maybe even up to $50 to $100 a month with clipping to start out, definitely try it out. The sacrifice is worth it when you're building a page. And at least for myself, clipping has been a very solid side hustle in 2026 so far. The next question I see on Reddit, is it even real? It feels like the whole clipping thing is a scam. My ultimate answer to this is clipping is 100% not a scam. In the last 28 days alone, I have made $1.67 thousand. So no, clipping is not a scam when you can get in the TikTok Creator Fund and you can figure out a way to not get strikes. Now, are there platforms out there that do clipping and they have a very crappy model? Yes, I do agree with that. And as a clipper myself, the most frustrating thing is having to get to a minimum amount of views, because say if you have a small page and say a campaign says you have to have at least 5,000 views to be able to get paid out, and say your clips only get to 3,000 views, that is one thing that I really hate because those 3,000 views are going unpaid. So my answer to this is no, clipping is not a scam. You just have to find the right campaigns that go along with your page. Next question I see on Reddit is the best clipping platform ever. And I want to say thank you to WayinVideo for sponsoring this video. WayinVideo will do everything for you. This tool will help you with your AI clipping, find viral moments. It has a video editing tool that you can use in here. And just for an example, I copy and pasted this Caleb Hammer podcast link into here, and it generated me 41 clips from this podcast alone, and it will rank these clips for you on a viral scale, and it will give you the title of each clip. So scroll down, say you find a clip. How you want to edit it is you want to go to open an editor, and then you will then see the clip, and then you want to go to reframe, go to on, and then you can select the layout style you want. I personally like to use fits, one clip to reframe, and then this will reframe this shot right here to a vertical reel just like this. And another thing I really love about WayinVideo is you can go to upload and do many more customizations with uploading any images or videos you want to here, or even if you have sound effects that you want to add into here. And there's also this B-roll feature down right here, and it will auto generate stock B-roll for you in your clips. So say if you have a podcast clip and you need that, you just click this button right here, and then it will generate this within a few minutes for you. So this is another feature that you can use to take your podcast clips to another level. And then if you go down to details, it will make you a title and a description for your clip, and then it will allow you to post it directly to your social media page. So if you don't want to spend time exporting the video and then having to put it into TikTok and do everything there, you can just do it directly from WayinVideo. And if you sign up with my link in the description, WayinVideo will actually give you 200 free credits, so you can try out the tool for yourself. And if you like this tool, you can then do the yearly bundle at $9.58 a month. And if you decide to get this, make sure to use promo code WAYIN133 to get an additional 25% off. So those are the 3 questions that I answered in today's video on Reddit. If you guys want to see this turned into a series, please let me know. So if you're interested in that, make sure to join my Discord community, which is also linked down below, completely for free. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if you found value in this video, and I'll see you in the next one.